This question says, a bakery delivers cookies to offices. The bakery charges a $5 delivery fee. The bakery charges a total of $20 for 12 cookies and a total of $27.50 for 18 cookies. And it's asking which equation represents the total charge in dollars, that's Y, for a delivery of X cookies. Okay, and here are answers. They all start out the same, Y equals, and Y up here is the dollar amount. And then X is cookies, so X is in all of them. So let's just kind of walk through and see what there is to see in the question itself. First of all, there's a $5 delivery fee, so that's important. And it's saying this word right here is a key word. It's a total of $20 for 12 cookies and a total of $27.50 for 18 cookies. So total is telling me that this delivery fee is included in that $20 and in that $27.50. Okay? So they want to know which equation represents the total charge, which is Y, for the delivery of X cookies. Okay, so let's go through these. The first one is $1.25 plus 5. That looks like a possibility. Okay, this one says, B says 5x plus $1.25. Well, we know our $5 is a flat fee. They're not going to charge, so when they did 18 cookies versus 12 cookies, the delivery charge doesn't change because they're telling us it's one delivery fee. Okay, so this one does not make sense. This is $1.25 times X plus 6. There's nothing in here that talks about 6. So I would say no to this one. And this one, again, that delivery fee is multiplied by the number of cookies, which does not make sense. So the only logical answer is this one here. But let's go ahead and prove that that is true. So how do we do that? I'm going to rewrite it. Y equals $1.25 times X, the number of cookies, plus 5. So it's important to know that this is the number of cookies. So then we can take this information or this information and substitute it in to this equation here. And we should come up with the $20 or $27.50. So let's use 12 because that's easy. My Y looks like a 4, doesn't it? So I'm going to loop it. Okay, so 125 times, we're going to use 12 cookies plus 5. So we should get an answer of this $20. Okay, so $1.25 times 12. Let's go ahead and work that out. 2 times 5 is 10, and that's 5, 2, 0, 5, 2, 1, 0, 0, 5, 1. So that's $15. I had to move my decimal, right? So that's $15 for this part, plus 5. Well, 15 plus 5 is 20, which is what we expected. So that works. And if you wanted to, and I think it'd be something good to do, go ahead and plug in 18 and make sure you get $27.50, just to be sure. So if you're not sure what to do, you could do this right here for every one of these until you find the one that works. But the only thing is, just be careful. If you don't really understand the question and you're just trying to figure it out, make sure you test everything. Because a lot of times it'll work on a couple of levels for one, at least one time. So you got to dig a little bit deeper to make sure you get the right one. I hope that makes sense. Anyway, if it doesn't, let me know, and I will see you in the next one.